Japan, a land of the rising sun, is an archipelago of 4 major islands and thousands of smaller ones. It lies off the eastern coast of Asia. Japan's history is a captivating tale of a nation shaped by its unique geography and cultural influences. From ancient times, Japan has been influenced by its neighbors, especially China and Korea. However, it also forged its own distinct identity. The Japanese people have a deep respect for nature, evident in their art, literature, and religious beliefs. Shintoism, the indigenous religion of Japan, emphasizes harmony with nature and reverence for ancestors. Throughout its history, Japan has experienced periods of isolation and openness to the outside world. These interactions shaped its culture and destiny. Ancient Japan saw the emergence of early cultures like the Jomon and Yayoi people. The Jomon period, characterized by its distinctive pottery, marked the beginning of settled life in Japan. The Yayoi period saw the introduction of rice cultivation and metalworking from the Asian mainland. These advancements led to the development of a more complex society. During the Kofun period, large burial mounds called kofun were constructed for the elite. This era also witnessed the rise of powerful clans and the establishment of the Yamato court as the dominant political force in Japan. The Yamato clan claimed descent from the sun goddess Amaterasu, legitimizing their rule and establishing a tradition that continues to this day. The feudal period in Japan was a time of political instability and constant warfare. Powerful lords, known as daimyo, emerged, each with their own armies of samurai warriors. The samurai lived by a strict code of honor called bushido, which emphasized loyalty, martial arts skills, and a willingness to die for one's master. The shogun, a military dictator, ruled over Japan during much of the feudal period. The most famous shogunate was the Tokugawa shogunate, founded in 1603. The Tokugawa brought about a period of peace and stability that lasted over 2 centuries. However, they also implemented a policy of strict isolation, closing Japan off from the rest of the world. The arrival of American Commodore Matthew Perry in 1853 forced Japan to open its doors to the outside world, ending its long period of isolation. This event triggered a series of changes that led to the Meiji Restoration in 1868. The Meiji Restoration marked a turning point in Japanese history. The Meiji emperors embraced modernization and sought to transform Japan into a modern industrial nation-state. They implemented reforms in education, industry, and the military, propelling Japan into the ranks of world powers. However, Japan's rapid modernization also led to its expansionist ambitions in the 20th century, culminating in World War II. After facing defeat, Japan underwent a period of rebuilding and economic recovery, eventually becoming one of the world's leading economies. Today, Japan is known for its technological innovation, pop culture, and unique cultural heritage, a testament to its resilience and adaptability.